Whew. Feast your eyes on this one, y'all. Got it in the lighting so y'all can see that diamond dust, but I really want y'all to see that pattern, that design that we was asked to do. You know, we only do what we asked. And this one just came out brilliant, man. 2-piece sterling silver diamond dust with a knife. Laser engraved going across the teeth, man. That is insane, y'all. This client is a chef. So when I tell y'all we got the best clients in the world, man, we see all walks of life. I mean, I've done stockbrokers, I've done football players, baseball players, basketball. I mean, I've done regular people, man, just normal, average people like us, you know. But this is a chef right here. I've done, you know, cooks, all type of chefs. One of my clients came the other week, was a chef at Ruth Chris. But this is a knife grill, man. Are you kidding me? So wait till this goes up on the website a little later if you want something like this. This is just to give you guys an idea. We can pretty much do anything that can fit on the tooth. You guys may have seen the Skyline grills I posted. I mean, we can do anything. So you can get as creative as you want to get. That's why I have the new hashtag, Get Creative. So whoever's grill this is, when you slap that in, make sure you tag me on Instagram and put Get Creative. Go see Fred. All my hashtags, you know what I mean? Thank you guys once again for supporting us. Sorry, y'all, we're a little bit slow during this COVID time, but we're still knocking them out, man. Still knocking them out. Call the business line. We now have numbers that you can push, man. 1 for sales, 2 for questions, 3 for, you know, that type of stuff. And the business is going up thanks to you. And we want to keep it that way. Really appreciate y'all. Look how clean that is, man. You want to know how they fit? Like a glove, man. Like a glove. Like this thing I'm wearing right here. Pop on, man. Pop off. Look forward to y'all in the live a little bit later, okay? 100. Y'all be safe.